guys? I'm literally talking to the
That's
adults.
my
Can the
source.
child be quiet, please? Okay,
You're a
so to the adults on the
You're
panel,
at the kitty
did y'all
table, Joe.
know
Shut up.
that they used to
you're a monkey.
have mummy parties where they would eat the mummy?
He's chimping out, y'all.
Did y'all know that?
He's
Did y'all
chimping
know
out,
that?
y'all. Look at him. Look
I'm
at him.
speaking.
Look at him trying to speak to his fucking ancestors.
That's why y'all have never seen a mummified body for real, because they was eating them. They literally had parties. The rich and wealthy, that was the thing. Because I'm rich and wealthy, I can import a mummy in here, and we're gonna have a mummy party, and we're gonna eat it. So literally, y'all will eat it unalive. Y'all will eat it raw. Y'all are nasty. That's why y'all don't care about seasons.
Absolutely.
Y'all conquer every place and didn't steal not one fucking seasoning. And I'm gonna hold you to it to this day. I'm just saying, it's frivolous lips. I didn't know we was going to the zoo, Joe. You got to calm down. You
I'm
cannot
speaking
be
extra
channeling